a technical defect. Oh my god, we had a bit of tech. No 6-speed though. Man's too poor. Oh, that was my farm. That's dangerous, man. Oh, that's it. What's happening, people? So, today we are going 2.5 hours up north to go and pick up a new car for me. We've changed our plans a bit. We was meant to be going to work on a 36, but I'm buying a car that I can use. We're currently using my pal's trailer to go and get the car because the car needs a little bit of work. It's got a little bit of a dent in it, and it needs pulling out, and it needs a bumper and a boot lid and a tail light. It'll be mint though. We'll see you soon. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not a whole load of great either. What do you think?
Lovely.
Do you think so? It looks good, doesn't it? I think it looks good.
No, it does look good.
From the front, it looks okay. It looks like a shed. The headlights though, they're not condensated.
Cloudy.
Or cloudy. It's got really fresh headlights in it. Have a look. Nice set of 36 wheels on there, that's weird. Oh, the battery's about to die. Should we go and look at the damage? Come have a look at the damage. So we've got this. We've got this. We've got a crack there. We've got a car alarm going off. We've got bird poo. We've got lack of pill. We've got a little dent. Just a little dent. It's nothing major. My thing is, yeah. Still got that 46. That 46 noise, that. The CD player's been moved over, but I can pull all that out. I mean, I'm happy. From the front, it looks great.
Yeah, from the front.
Let's get this on the ramp. Right, I haven't really told you much of what's happening, if I'm honest. Me and Gabs are currently stopping at Mackie D's because we're hungry. We haven't eaten. 46 is a bit heavy for this van. She hasn't pulled nothing heavy for a long time, so she's struggling, bless her, I think.
She's clean.
Not really. I'm a cuz. This has got something cool that I've never seen before. It's a change dispenser. I've never seen that before. That actually sounds quite nice.
She's got quite a, like, when she's sat.
Yeah. Also, must fix this. Have I bought the only saloon that don't have folding seats? Yeah. Well, that's great. We bought a saloon and the back seats don't fold down.
And how am I meant to get tyres in the back for a skid day?
Put them on the back seat. Family car, innit? Come on, don't think about us.
How do
Whoa, look at the battery clamp. I never clocked that. It's a ratchet strap. Oh, that's quality. I mean, we're going to see what we can do with a hammer today. Yeah, obviously this CD changer malarkey, that's all got to disappear. That's got to go in the scrap. What we'll do is, yeah, I'll rig it up to the transit in a minute and we'll just give her a little tug and see what happens.
It's going to crumple because she's a rotter.
It won't crumple, it'll...
Well, disintegrate then. Is that better?
Yeah, that's a better word. So, now that the plastic's out of the way, the actual chassis leg is fine. She's grand. It's just that little plate on the end, but obviously once I pull the tail like that should pull that out a bit. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to do something a bit creative and a bit dangerous. Gabby's going to love this. Right, next morning, got a bit late last night and we was like, oh, alright, look, we got to go because we want to make it to the chip shop. Because, you know, food's important, man. Food is fuel. But, when I was looking at the photos last night, side to side, this looks a hell of a lot better than it did. It might not look like much at the minute, but it's definitely better than it was. Whoa! Oh, that was my farm. Shit! Eee, that's dangerous, man. I just thought, because I had a spare ECU from when I was having problems with the MX-5 that I bought off DG Maps. So I was like, oh, I might as well slap it in this. It's not got nothing special in it. I think it's got hard cut limiter and something else. Yeah, I've changed the ECU over. It already sounds better. The throttle's more responsive and not lazy like it was before, so that's good. It's just because it's got, it's just an exhaust. It's just an exhaust, man. That's the only reason there's so much steam, don't worry. I think it sounds good, runs alright, doesn't it? Does it smell eggy? Does that smell eggy?
A little bit.
Does it? It's a cat. Might be the cat breaking down. The throttle's so sensitive now. It's not lazy. I hate this shifter though. Look, can you get on the shifter? Watch this, watch this. That's first. Second. I think that's third. That might be fourth. That's fifth. No 6-speed though. Man's too poor. It's not really moving. Well, that's it. That come out a lot. It's like flush with the boot now.
No, it's not.
It needs to go up now though. So it's pulled it out to the boot, but it needs to go up.
Oh no. Who pulled this back? Oh shit!
A slight hole.
Let me pull the van out quick and sort that out.
Right, well, I've got it to the sort of state of play where if I get a new panel, I can just, I'm guessing I can just sort of like line it up and see what I do and don't have to cut. I think the chassis is fine. The inner skin, that's all fine. It's not bent, it's not nothing. Obviously this little bit is bent, but that's not a problem. But when I cut out another quarter, I'm going to end up cutting that out anyway, so you know it don't really matter too much. It's a bit more than I thought it was, but you know I'm up for it. It's a bit more work than I thought it'd be, but it's manageable. It's not like I'm putting a whole new rear end on the car, so it's gonna be a challenge, but that's what we're here for. We're here for challenges. We've got to try our luck, haven't we? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next weekend when we come back to this, and hopefully I would have had the bits by then, because I'm trying not to spend too much money doing this, you know. So hopefully we can, you know, sort of do it for a decent amount. But it's always going to look worse before it looks better. That's the thing. We'll see you in the next one.